Hey guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, third trading day of the week, and like I said yesterday, I have a workshop at 8 and I ended roughly 10 plus, right? Settled down and look at the markets around 10 plus, close to 11. Did a few trades, initially wasn't so good. Because market was basically range bound and we're waiting for 2 a.m. FOMC news, right? Okay, a big news that will affect the market. And this is why it was pretty sideways, very hard to trade before 2 a.m. and was in a slight loss. But at 2 a.m. I did a S&P trade to trade up, and just nice market went up and I took the profits. So overall roughly break even, right? A bit of profits. Let's jump in and take a look. Okay, so we are back at my screen right here, right? So initially traded EOG, lost $94. Traded on MNQ, initially make a small profit. This MES S&P Futures trade, right, was done around 1 plus, right? Okay, at 2 it went shoot all the way out and I took profit. I will show you that later because of FOMC news. NEM I took a loss, and PG I also took a loss. SLB I took a win, right? Okay, so basically 1 day trade, 2, 3, stock straight, right, is 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. One I missed out the trade, could have been a very good win also, but I missed it out, right? So today performance just average, right? Maybe even below average, right? Okay, but you can see from the realized profit, overall slight break even to small, very small profit, right? So if performance below par, below average, still doing not so bad, right? Okay, so considered good lah, based on the trader's performance. So if you were to look at NEM, I'm supposed to buy it up. At market open, actually there wasn't any useful trigger until 11, right? Okay, which is just when I get online to look at the markets after my workshop, right? So I traded it, went out a little bit and then came back down and hit my stop loss, right? After that, I didn't take the next trigger, which is around midnight, right? If I took it, I would have think that it would have covered my loss on NEM, right? Okay, but I didn't, right? So yeah, happens, right? PG is another one. I took it at around 10 plus or so, close to 11. Went up, I didn't take the profits, was quite decent profits, but it went down and hit my stop loss. Subsequent trigger I didn't take. If I took this, it will have stop loss also. Only the third trigger here would have made me very good profits. Maybe out of the 3 triggers, if I took all, I might just lose a little bit, almost break even, right? Okay, but I didn't. I only took the first one, and that's why it's an overall loss for this stock. EOG is to sell it down, right? Okay, you can see that EOG has been going higher and higher since market open over here, right? It has been going higher and higher and higher. I did do a trade 11 plus over here, but it hit my stop loss, right? Okay, after that I decided not to monitor it anymore. In fact, very hard to trade this. You can see that overall is going up. Luckily I didn't take the subsequent triggers after midnight, right? If I took it, maybe if I'm nimble enough, I might have take a small profit, right? Okay, but if not, then it will be very hard to trade it down, right? Because it has been going up. So one loss on here. SLB is a trade that I wanted to trade it down, and you can see that over here it went down, right? So I traded here and took the profits, right? Okay. BBWI is a trade that to trade down around 11 plus, right? 11:30 accounting. If I took the trade, I would have made a very good profit, very big profit, in fact. But I didn't, right? Okay. This trade would have made a difference in my overall profit and loss for today, right? Okay. So so missed the winning trades, took the losing trades, but overall break even, small profit, right? Like what you see, $28 of profit. Last trade made the difference, right? I traded MES up at roughly 10 minutes before market, 10 minutes before 2 a.m., right? Okay, and 2 a.m. it just shoot all the way out and I took profit, right? Okay. I took profit too early. Halfway here, around 5248, I took profits. In fact, if I hold it longer, it could have been like $400 to $500 or maybe even $600 of profit, right? So yeah, but since I saw that it covered most of my losses and still make an overall profit, I close it. Today not performing well, so yeah, so overall I would say still again below average performance by the trader itself. Nothing to do with the strategy. Strategy is pretty good. It's just that the trader decided not to take the winning trades and take the based on the strategy, there's a trigger, but the trader didn't take, right? Okay, so which is me, right? Okay, so I take full responsibility for that. But even though that is the case, slight profit, right? Okay, not losing too much. My swing trades are basically break even right now, right? Based on my swing trades over here. So yeah, I mean, I'll be looking forward to tomorrow to do much better, right? And hopefully by the end of the month, end of this week, I can still clock an overall profit just like last week, right? Okay. Yeah, so keeping my fingers crossed. I hope that so far it's already midweek and you are already in profits and do well in your trading as well. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for my next update. May the profits be with you. I'll see you soon.
I hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.